Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. Here I am at my garage, and guess what? My Liftmaster keypad quit working for my Liftmaster Chamberlain garage door opener. So I have two garage door openers here, and a mistake I made, and many others have made, is they think this puppy is wired in somehow like these units are wired in to your garage door opener, push button. Not the case. Really, all you have is a Liftmaster battery-powered keypad. So you have your 9-volt battery down here, and it really just operates like the one that's in your automobile. It's just that you have to do a keypad instead of push button, so that your neighbors and your kids and thieves can't just walk up and push the button to get in. So I bought this online for 35-40 bucks, and based on all the reviews I did, it should work with my Liftmaster, because lo and behold, it says it will. Gonna go through the programming steps, pop it on the wall over here where the old one was. The old one, a whole lot of reasons why it quit working, I guess, not one of which was the battery. But you know, you get weather here and stuff, so anyway, after I get it all installed, I'll circle back. Note that this LED button appears to be purple as opposed to red, orange, and yellow, some of the other colors it could be. Purple, so that's important. Okay, we have it up here now and programmed. So number, enter. Oh, look at that. I can close my garage door from outside again. So thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Yeah, if you would have called a garage door opener to come out here and try to repair this thing, you would be spending 100 or 200 bucks for a $35 unit. Just replace the unit. That looks like I need to close my battery thing there, but anyway, thumbs up, subscribe. Unedited, unfiltered, undoctored up Rod's Random Reviews videos. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your garage door opener.